So you wanted to sell digital products into Systeme.io. I'm going to show you how to get started totally for free here into Systeme.io. There's two ways that you can get started here into the Systeme.io because there's an affiliation process of how you can get started into the marketplace, and there's an affiliation of the offers that you can get started with. But what you can do, of course, is to sell products and sales and affiliation products and much more than that. So let's say, for example, that you wanted to get started with an actual product name. So in this case, I don't have an actual product. Assuming that I wanted to sell an actual digital product, let's say for example like an ad, an NFT or whatever, I'm going to add this as an actual new product. So in this case, I'm going to go for NFT number 1. The description, this is an NFT. And then we have the SKU. The SKU is going to be giving you something by default, which in this case is this one. The product tax, you can go for 2. The currency, in my case, I'm going to go for US dollar. And the price is $12. Now into the media, what I'm doing here is like add like a preview of what you're actually selling, the product that you're actually selling. I open it, I click into upload, and here it is. Now this product is option, so as color, this is not the case, and I'm gonna hit now into save. So now as you can see here, I have one product name. So I'm gonna hit now into funnels. Inside funnels, what you want to do is to fill the product details, create. I go for creative funnel for the NFT number 1. The funnel domain is exactly this domain that I have just chosen. In this case, it's a totally free version. And now I want to sell an actual product. Now the currency, once again, it's exactly US dollar, and go for save. So here's my funnel already been created. And here what you can do is to set up an actual step verification of the product. For example, you can just select a template to get started with, like the order form. So let's assume, for example, that I choose, I don't know, maybe like this one. So I select the template. The name is the order form for this URL. In this case, my NFT number 1. There's an affiliate commission if you wanted to. In this case, this offer type is a digital product. Really important to create a connection payment when you need to connect a payment gateway. So it's always going to be really important to connect a really gateway. So I choose, I don't know, maybe Stripe, PayPal. This is taking like no time. Just create an account into Stripe, create an account into PayPal, whatever, so you can have an actual pay away already been created. So now once again, going back into the offer type, choose resources which customer have access after the purchase. In this case, I select a repost. Now let's say some tax or some community, which goes bundles. And here you can create a new bundle if you want to. So you need, of course, to have this already been created before you, of course, added your actual order bumped. Now into the automation rows, you can add different rows for each sale, for each page visited, for each sale cancel. But this is something actually, let's say advanced, that you actually don't need to focus a lot in. So you can now check out the actual funnel of how it's going to be looking the product you're actually selling. So as you can see, here's our actual website, the guest information, the payment info, and the price details. So you can change that later if you want to. Now let's move on into the thank you page. I can select a thank you page. And lastly, the inactive page if you wanted to add something else when you make the purchase. I'm going to hit into exit. And there you have it. I have just set it up an actual digital product to sell directly here into Systeme.io. Share this funnel directly inside my socials. You can create an actual website if you wanted to, or you can create a website totally for free. For example, what I do is to choose Google Sites because Google Sites is totally for free, and I can add payment forms directly here inside Google Sites. For example, here I scroll all my way down. I go for add an actual button, and here into the button I go for buy now. And I add my Systeme.io linked, and here is my product section. And there you go. As you can see, I'm gonna hit now into publish, and then you're actually good to go. Also, what I can do is to share all my stuff directly into my socials, share into a blog, share into pages of Facebook, so I can receive more drive stuff directly here into Systeme. And I can see my dashboard of how many people check out my products, how many orders I have received so far, how many people click into my link, how many people check out the products that I have to sell, so much more. Now lastly, what I can tell is that you're focusing into digital products, focus into communities, focus into courses, and focus into coupons that you can just add, because let's say like NFTs, something like that is not like the best resolution for adding into Systeme.io. There's another places where you can do that, but Systeme.io, they focus more into physical products, coupons, courses, and communities. So take that in mind before you add those kind of stuff directly here into Systeme. Well, with that being said, we have now reached to the very end of the video, guys. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools here into systeme.io, how this actually works, more affiliation section, and so much more stuff that you can just get started with. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all of that being said, we can see you to a brand new section of TechSpress. See you next time.